Yes.
Thank you, my Lord.
Yes, sir.
In continuation, Brigadier, of my cross-examination in respect of Mr. Ntuli, he says that it is not correct that the witness, Sizwe Zungu, is related to him. They are from different clan. They have no relationship whatsoever. We started to know him, that is Zungu, here in court for the first time.
Sifiso Zungu.
Yes.
Athi-ke umeli kuyinkulumo eqhamuka lapho-ke kumsolwayo ukuthi yena-ke kahlobene noSifiso Zungu futhi abalamani futhi bahlobene imisho nangey'thakazelo akamazi futhi beqala-ke ukumbona le nkantolo kuqala ngesikhathi lesi uSifiso Zungu bekalana-ke ethula ubufakazi bakhe.
It's not what I know, my Lord, but I'm not sure if I can take it further than that. I've indicated that insofar as what I know in the investigation, accused 5, and Constable Zungu, plus Kwabeni, my Lord, there's a relationship there, my Lord, they're related.
Athi akusiloko yena-ke akwaziyo lapho-ke kepha mina nodaba-ke lwenkulumo awayithola ngesikhathi sokafisesha iqala leli-ke kuwukuthi umsola wokuqala futhi umsola wesihlanu-ke Constable Zungu futhi noGwabeni kuwukuthi bayihlobo bahlobene.
May I approach Mr. Ntuli, my Lord?
Yes,
please?
sir. What does Gwabini mean? Is it a place or?
No, it's
Gwabeni.
No, it's basically, my Lord, in Zulu they call it Takazelo. So
Oh, it's
basically,
Takazelo, okay.
Gwabeni and Zungu.
Okay, fine.
Means, yeah,
Alright.
means
Sorry
it's the
about
same
that.
thing. Yes.
Sorry. Yeah, okay.
So the Zungus are, they can call them Kwabeni, like Constable Zungu. He's also Kwabeni. That's my understanding
Okay.
of it, my Lord.
It's a praise name.
Yes, correct.
It's a
Mr.
praise name.
Yes,
Yes, Gwabeni.
Okay.
So,
correct. Yeah. So they share the same surname, even that Kwabeni and Constable Zungu, my Lord.
Okay. Yeah.
he further says, he admits that is accused number 5, Mr. Ntuli, that his mother is indeed Batethelele Zungu.
Athi uvuma ukuthi empilweni nayiqiniso uma wakhe-ke igama lakhe-ke ubathethelele bese isibongo sakhe-ke uZungu.
But that did not come from your investigation. It came at a point when his counsel, Advocate Mshololo, was cross-examining Lieutenant Colonel Gous.
Athi kepha iqhamukile udaba lolu aqhamukile ngesikhathi lesi wena-ke busenza-ke ukusesha ukuphenya icala-ke kepha iqhamuke ngesikhathi lesi-ke umama Mshololo adabuza khe imibuzo lapho ku-Lieutenant Colonel Gous.
My Lord, I was not there during the cross-examination of Colonel Gous, so I don't know. I'm listening. I hear what counsel is saying.
Yeah, fine.
Athi bekangekho-ke ngesikhathi lesi uColonel Gous bekalethe bekathula ufakazi bakhe-ke lapho-ke kepha-ke uzothula angasho ukuthi alalele nje kuphela.
He further instructs me that the reason for you to say he is related to Sizwe Zungu is because you want to pull him or draw him closer to the relationship that you say he had with Constable Sizwe Zungu.
Athi-ke indaba ukuthi wena-ke uthi uxhumeneke nomntokozana uConstable Sizwe Zungu kukuthi ufuna-ke umsondeze eduze-ke naye-ke uZungu.
No, but that's not true, my Lord. I'm simply testifying on what I know and what we uncovered during the course of the investigation. I've got no reason to do that, my Lord.
Athi cha siloko yena-ke akwaziyo futhi ukhuluma ngento-ke awayithola ngesikhathi lesi bekasesha icala noma bekaphenya-ke icala.
He further instructs me that he finds credence from his reason that Constable Sizwe Zungu did not know him because Constable Sizwe Zungu referred to him, that is Mr. Ntuli, as a person from Opisweni, which is not correct. In fact, he's from Osotho in KwaNongoma.
athi lapho ke uConstable Zungu ke washo ukuthi yena ke uqhamuka lokuzana ke eofisweni kepha yathina kaaqhakusela aqhamuka khona ke ngaphansi kwesigodi sase-ofisweni ke kepha aqhamuka ngaphansi kwesigodi
Osotho in KwaNongoma.
Osuthu ngaphansi kwendawo ekwaNongoma.
My Lord, also there, the difficulties, I can't speak on behalf of Constable Zungu. He was here, he testified, and I'm sure he was cross-examined. So I am listening, but I'm not so sure if I can assist with that, my Lord.
Athi eqinisweni athi ufakazi kade angekho ke ngesikhathi leso uConstable Zungu bekade lethe ufakazi bakhe ke la ngaphambi kusenkantolo ke futhi akazi ukuthi wakhuluma ngani ngesikhathi beka lana ke uZungu.
He further instructs me that Opisweni, which is the area that Constable Sizwe Zungu referred to him as he is from that area, is not from KwaNongoma, or is not under KwaNongoma, it's under Matlabatini, and Osotho is under Nongoma. So these are two different areas.
Athi ke futhi lendawo uConstable Zungu athi yena ke umsolo osihlanu qhamuka kuyona ke ase-ofisweni ke athi akuyona ke indawo ngaphansi kwesigodi salapho ke elokozana kwaNongoma ke kepha e-ofisweni iwela ngaphansi kwesigodi salapha ke Mahlabathini ke bese ke uSuthwini yona ke ngaphansi kwendawo ekwaNongoma futhi indawo lezi indawo ezimbili ezahlukene ezingafani.
My Lord, as I said, I can't speak on behalf of Constable Zungu or how he testified when he was here. I was not here, my Lord.
Athi bekachithi ngeke akhulumeke kumnumzana uConstable Zungu futhi ngesikhathi leso uConstable Zungu bekalana elethe ufakazi bakhe ke yena manje njengofakazi kade angekho akazi ukuthi akhuluma ngani noma yini akaze akhulume ngaphambi kwenkantolo.
Thank you, my Lord. I have no further cross-examination. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
We'll meet some other time. Thank you.
Yes, I see. Yeah.
Uyabonga ke.
Thank you, Advocate.
There's no re-examination. is it?
No, nothing, my Lord. In any case, this was
Yeah, for the evidence of
cross-examination arising from new facts.
New facts, okay.
New evidence.
yeah.
Yes. So we have no examination to the witness.
So what do we do now?